are going to Dodo Pizza. We go to Dodo Pizza. This is Dodo Pizza. I am to make a pizza by yourself. You're 4, but you're 25. Yeah.
Bye. See you later.
Bye. We'll see you inside. Well, waiting, we need to color. So I guess that's what we're doing.
So you have different pizza.
One moon, one Mickey Mouse. Good job.
That's
Nice. What is that?
pizza.
She said.
It's for the something off on the table.
Calendar.
You need to remove, okay? The bubbles. Bubbles is inside that dough. So give it to Kuya. Kuya will do. Okay, Kuya? Do the bubble. Now I will teach you to
Turn
start
mo,
it.
kuya. Ito turn.
Now we need to make it very thin. Okay? Now we need to touch it.
Moon.
Now you have Mickey Mouse. Yes, I'm doing this one. And then the other ears. Turkey, you're eating vegetable? Kumakain mo siyang gulay? Mixed pepper.
Pepper.
We have mushroom.
Mushroom. Yes?
You have to make it so nice.
Mushroom food.
So it will not fall down, right?
Hold it.
Just try to hold it so that, okay?
Hold tight, kuya.
Then we have to take picture. Just look to mommy. Just look mommy.
Hey, smile.
Then you have to smile and hold it very tight.
Okay, done.
Picture done.
Done.
You have to load it and say bye bye.
Bye, pizza.
Bye bye pizza. Need to say bye. Bye.
Say thank you.
Okay.
Which one is your pizza?
Moon. There you go.
What do you say, guys?
Say thank you.
Okay,
Matching.
Yan lang nakarami.